So let's practice step pattern. May 7th. All right, let's get an equation going. Okay, let's make one up. Y equals, okay, we're going to do it easy. X plus 1 all squared minus 4. Okay, so everyone's doing this. You're finding some kind of paper, even if it's from your lesson notes. Just find a graph. What's the first thing you do? I have no idea what to do. Let me show Miss Lai I know something. What is it? Yeah. That's right. And on the quiz, you will get this formula. So if you forget which one is the K, you can look at this formula and be like, oh, the K is the last one, right? So what is my A, everyone? Hey, everyone, what is my A? Whoa. What is my H? Nice. And what is my K? How do I find the vertex? What's the formula? Hey, everyone, what's the formula for vertex? Okay, so in this case, my vertex is -1, -4. Bring me your telephone. All right, step 1, draw the vertex. Okay, so the vertex is at -1, -4. -1, -4. Draw a dot. Not just that, let's label it because Miss Sly is going to want you to label it on a quiz. -1, -4. That's how you label it. Do you know why I put the label under the graph? You got it, because the graph is going to open up and I don't want to have too many lines going on top of each other. Okay, now if my A is 1, I'm opening upwards. Is there a stretch? No, it's just 1. It's just going up. So the way that I find the step pattern, okay, listen up. If you did not watch the video, if you're not sure what I mean by step pattern, you're really listening. You take the A and you multiply it by the original step pattern, which is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, blah, blah, blah. Consecutive odd numbers, consecutive odd integers. Now, because my A is 1, in this case, my step pattern is just 1, 3, 5, ... Because my A is 1. Now, what do I do with my step pattern? I'm going to go from the vertex. Start at the vertex. You always go 1 across. And then you're going to go 1 up, 3 up, 5 up. So 1 across, 1 up. Draw a dot. 1 across, 3 up. Draw a dot. 1 across, 5 up. Draw a dot. If you have space, I do. I can go 7 up. Who wants me to review what I just did? Okay. So because the A is 1, there is no stretch. So I use the basic step pattern, 1, 3, 5. This 1, 3, 5 is telling me how much to go up every time I go 1 across. So I start at the vertex. You must start at the vertex. You're going to go 1 across, 1 up. Draw a dot. Bing. 1 across, 3 up. 1, 2, 3. Bing. Draw a dot. 1 across, 5 up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bing. Draw a dot. 1 across, 7. 1 across, 9. 1 across, 11. This is how I find the dots of the parabola. Does that help? Now, we know the parabola is perfectly symmetrical, right? It folds onto itself. So do you know where to put dots on this side? Yeah, because they're going to be at the same level. But you could also practice. You could go 1 across, 1 up, 1 across, 3 up, 1 across, 5 up, right? Okay. You don't have as much space as I do. Once we have these dots, we're going to connect them with as smooth of a curve as possible. And watch this. I want the lines to go all the way through the entire graph so that the arrows are actually off the graph. Okay? So you're making a really nice curve that goes through the entire graph. Now, this is a beautiful curve. I worked hard to make it. So you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to give it a name. I'm going to label it with its name. When this parabola was born, its parents decided to call it y equals x plus 1 all squared minus 4. What a beautiful name. Let's try one more. Let's make it negative. Y equals negative 2x minus 3 squared plus 7. Okay, go ahead. If you're good with drawing this, just go right ahead. I'm not sure what to do first. I'm going to write my AHK. Once I have the AHK, yeah. I would always do it, right? It's like, it takes 10 seconds. And in case you make a little mistake, then I can like see where you made the mistake and follow through. Yeah. From the AHK, I've got the vertex. 3, 7. Okay, let's draw that vertex. 3 and 7. And I know the parabola opens down, so I'm going to label it above the point. Okay, now we need to find the step pattern. So I just told you that whatever your A is, you're going to multiply the original step pattern by that new A. So if my A is negative 2, I'm going negative 2 times 1, 3, 5. So what is my new step pattern? Well, it's going to be negative 2 times 1, negative 2 times 3, negative 2 times 5. 3 is sufficient. So now, if I'm going to go 1 across and it tells me to go negative 2 up, which direction am I going in? Yeah, that's right. So now I'm actually going, if it's negative, all it means is, oh, you're actually going to go down. So you go 1 across, 2 down, 1 across, 6 down, 1 across, 10 down, etc., etc. And I can count again on the other side, or I can just say, I know these parabolas are symmetrical. So this is the step pattern. So as you can see, it's like you draw the vertex. From the vertex, you figure out how much to go up or down each time. There's your parabola. This is a graph because it's specific. I've got arrows at the end. My parabola goes through the entire graph, and I'm going to label it with its name. Y equals negative 2, x minus 3, all squared, plus 7. So I'm going to hand out practice quizzes. Watch here. First 2 pages are questions that could really, it's like homework questions, right? I just gave a lot more so you could practice. And then I put 3 possible challenger questions for you to try. I'm going to try my best to get the answers, at least for the first 2 pages, up so you can check. Now tomorrow, all we're doing is writing the quiz, yet we have a whole period. So I'm going to give you at least 20 minutes, maybe 30 minutes to review at the beginning, to ask me questions, okay? And then we'll write the quiz. Does that make sense? All right, so take one, pass it back. Take one, pass it back. If you would like to come sit next to me. Okay. Jeffrey, is that a sentence? Oh, I don't have the video of it. So you know, unfortunately, you don't get it in advance. Let me just make sure everyone gets a practice. Yeah, because, wait, you need one, and then Hannah, you didn't get one, and Zita, you didn't get one? Okay, did everyone get a practice quiz? Excellent. Yeah, so who's away for Huskies versus, folks? All right, so you know what to do. There's gonna be a video. You gotta watch it. It will not be ready prior, because I'm gonna literally record it as I'm teaching. Okay? Oh, yeah, I like that one. So, oh, maybe this is a different challenger. Oh, yes, he's shooting 13. And this is what they told us. They gave us the 8. Oh, no. Okay, cool. And you want to find the date? Okay, so what's the point they gave you? Pop it in there. If you substitute it into the equation, ding! There you go. Good. Yeah. Come on up, Grace. Hey, Quincy. You will find, I actually recorded what I just did.